Marami namin na pag-usapan siguro pag pinagsama-sama namin lahat ng mga pinag-usapan namin. Yun lang siguro 2 oras na ano. Hindi ko 8 shows. Imagine 8 shows.
Chismosa kasi chismosa nagsama.
Dito kayong lahat. We'd like to thank all of you for coming tonight. Kayo po ang maging witness ng aming mga teleserye. I hope you enjoyed the clippings.
Yeah.
You guys having you know what's funny is every time it's a show, but every time we would watch that itong clippings na to, parang kahapon lang. No?
Parang fast time flow, no?
Yeah.
So much has happened.
You know, it's not only us na nagkasama lang. In fact, kasama natin sila.
Yes, all of us. Now we're together tonight for the first time in 4 decades. Because you know you followed our careers whether together or separately, and we are so thankful to all of you for that. Thank you for not stopping and loving us and supporting us both.
And this song is not just the two of us, but I think kasama kayo lahat dito. We used to be one.
Yeah, with us.
Kasama ka lang. And up to now, we're here.
Yeah, and I'd like to do this for you.
For all of us.
All of us. Now we're divided by we used to be one. I can remember when our hearts were very young. You said our love would be forever, but that was such a long time ago. Time ago. Time and again, I still remember day after day when you hold me close to you. But they are just a part of yesterday. Such a long time ago. Why did it ever have to be this way? You promised me the moon, the sun, the stars above. How come you suddenly cease to look my way? Tell me the truth that you are certain of. Look at me now, girl you once loved. Look at me now, grown up but still in love with you. Although it's such a long time ago, a long time. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, after singing that for you and for you, I will leave you with my word husband, and he will entertain you on his own. Okay, talaga.
Ito lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo.
just...
You know, 8 is a lucky number.
That's how I signed my S.
Yeah, 8.
I didn't know that until after.
Actually, that's why 8 ang songs natin because yes, 8 yun, di ba?
8 yung shows. Wala mo
Yes. Exactly. But I hope you guys enjoy the show tonight. And enjoy it.
Oo naman. Nainis na ako dahil last show na. Dapat wala akong sakit, di ba? Hirap mo na. Pero okay ba? Okay ba? It's hard to sing like you. So I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll do my very best. I already asked God to take away my voice at 1 a.m. Okay na. Tapusin na natin itong maganda.
Actually, we were planning sana like after this show, we could do another few shows next year. No?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we were really thinking about doing another show, another tour for next year. Kailan ba kayo libre? Kasi kailangan naman namin yun, di ba? That's important.
No, whatever. I don't know what's going to be first. Is it North America or we're doing the other continents first?
Ang sabi kasi sa amin na mapunta kami ng Australia. Sino sa inyo may kamag-anak sa Australia?
We'll tour there and then also some parts of the Middle East. Then we're coming back to America.
Yes.
Let's start the tour again, remember?
Anong batang gusto ninyo? Balita namin pagdating ng mga ng June, okay sa inyo? Okay ba? Hindi pa kayo nagbabakasyon lang? Yes. Sige, nag-busy namin yun. Sama lang natin si Daisy next time.
Kaya na lang muna. Kasi parang na tayo family bird control. Bakit naman pakiyalo? Kaya na muna.
Mas maganda kung kasama natin siya.
Maganda. Pero nakasantang po ko sa bata niyo. Kaya... Wala magkatiran. Sorry, hindi kita gusto iwanan. Pero nasisinga ako.
Siyempre, mas maganda kung dalawa ngayong natin dito. Please naman, matuwa sila na.
Hindi ka na muna manonood ako. Sama na lang ako mag-aalala.
Magpati na kasi yung dalawa.
Ay, hindi ako may issue. Okay, huwag na natin pag-usapan. 2 years na kami estranged. Oh, it's okay. I love my daughter. I love her forever.
Okay, let's just do this song.
Okay, let's just do it. Ba't ba tayo napunta doon?
Marami kasi nagtatanong that after this tour, should we say hello or should we say goodbye? I think we should say hello.
Yeah. But that's my Christmas on my own. You spend Christmas
Pero
on
hindi
my own.
na napapansin din yung mga words. Let's just enjoy this moment.
Should we stay? Oh, ito naman. Kanta po ito. Hindi ko ito Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Okay, go. Okay, what's your final answer?
Stay.
Should we stay? Or should we say bye? Walk away. Or give it one more try. Love your wings to let our dreams just fly. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why.
But are we glad to find what they were? Is this what we really want to be? Not realize we need to have so much. It really is quite tough when love is not enough.
Tell me why
din yung sepak.
Sinong meron nun? Shadow Nation. Magsasepak.
Ay, alam mo, as much as ayaw kong umalis ka dito sa stage na to, pero ang parating sinasabi sa atin on our 7 shows, pagkatapos mo kumanta, paalisin mo na siya dahil kailangan niya magbihis.
So, akala ko umalis.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero huwag ka sana masyadong lumayo.
Hindi, yun lang. Maguhubad lang ako sa gawin. Babalik ako. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gabby Concepcion, ex-husband, work husband, ex-boyfriend,